Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about the magnetic moment, spin only magnetic moment, calculation for transition metal ion. In the previous video, in the series of transition elements, so far we have discussed in the previous videos how to write the electronic configuration of d Bragg element, variation of atomic and ionic size, ionization enthalpy of transition metals, oxidation state of transition metals, standard electrode potential of transition metal. In the incoming video, we are going to see the catalytic properties of transition metal. In this video, magnetic moment, especially spin only magnetic moment. What is spin only magnetic moment? A magnetic moment is developed due to spin of electron in its own axis. We know electron is spin in two possible directions. One is clockwise plus half, another one is minus half and the clockwise. Due to spin of the electron, there is a tiny magnetic field is developed around the electron. That tiny magnetic field developed around the electron is called magnetic moment. That magnetic moment arises due to spin of electron. Therefore, it is called spin only magnetic moment. How to calculate the magnetic moment of all the transition metal ion? How to calculate the magnetic moment of all transition metal ion, that we are going to discuss in this video. So, for all the ions, we are going to calculate the spin only magnetic moment. Calculation of spin only magnetic moment of transition metal and transition metal ion. The first element in transition series is scandium, Sc, atomic number 21. Electronic configuration argon, atomic number 18, 20 and 21. The second element, titanium, with the atomic number 22. The electronic configuration is argon 18, 20, 22. The third element in the first transition series is vanadium, atomic number 23. The electronic configuration argon 18, 20, 23. Now we are going to write the electronic configuration of the ion. Scandium 3 plus indicate loss of 3 electron by scandium atom, 2 electron from 4s and 1 electron from 3d, argon 18, 3d0, 4s0. d orbital containing empty field. Titanium 4 plus, loss of 4 electron, 2 electron from s orbital and another 2 electron from d orbital. So, titanium 4 plus also attain empty filled d orbital. Vanadium 5 plus, loss of 5 electron, argon 18, 2 from S and 3 from D, 3D0, 4S0. Now in our examples, 3D orbitals are empty filled in scandium 3 plus and titanium 4 plus, vanadium 5 plus. The spin only magnetic moment formula is equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. N equal to number of unpaired electron. In all these ion, d electron is empty filled. So 0 into 0 plus 2. Number of unpaired electron equal to 0. That is equal to 0 Bohr magneton. Because of it is 0 Bohr magneton, unit of magnetic moment is Bohr magneton. It is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic. Come to other type of ions. Titanium 3 plus, titanium 3 plus. Titanium electronic configuration 3d2 4s2. Titanium 3 plus mean it lost how many electron? 3 electron. 2 electron from s orbital, 1 electron from d orbital. Argon atomic number 18. 3d1 4s0. Vanadium 4 plus ion electronic configuration. Vanadium 4 plus. Vanadium lost how many electron? 4 electron. Argon 18. It lost how many electron? 4 electron. 2 from s orbital, 2 from d orbital. So the electronic configuration 3d1 4s0. Both titanium 3 plus and titanium 4 plus containing 1 electron in d orbital. Fill the 1 electron according to Hund's rule. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. We have only 1 electron. That electron enter into the first orbital. Number of unpaired electron equal to 1. Now, spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to, what is the formula? Root of n into n plus 2, that is equal to root of number of unpaired electron equal to 1. So 1 into 1 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 into 1 equal to root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.73 unit of magnetic moment equal to Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, titanium 3 plus and vanadium 4 plus are paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature due to the presence of one unpaired electron. Come to two more ion. Titanium 3 plus and titanium 4 plus, vanadium 4 plus we have completed. Come to next one. Titanium 2 plus. Titanium 2 plus indicate it lost how many electron? 2 electron. Therefore, this is the electronic configuration of titanium atom. If it lost 2 electron from 4s level, the electronic configuration is argon 18 3d2 4s0. That for vanadium 3 plus, vanadium 3 plus, loss of 3 electron, 2 electron from S, 1 electron from D. Argon 18, vanadium 3 plus, 3d2 4s0. Now see the 3d orbital, here 3d2, 3d2, d orbital containing how many electron? 2 electrons. Fill the 2 electron in d orbitals. D orbital, we have how many orientation? 5 orientation. 3d xy, 3d yz, 3d zx, 3d x squared minus y squared, 3d z squared. We have only 2 electron in 3d orbital. Fill that 2 electron according to Hund's rule. So how many number of unpaired electrons we have? Only 2 unpaired electron. N value equal to 2. Now calculate spin only magnetic moment. Mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 equal to root of n equal to number of unpaired electron. 2 into 2 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 into 2 are 8. Root 8. Value of root 8 equal to 2.83 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron in titanium 2 plus and vanadium 3 plus, it is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature. Come to other types of ion. So far we have completed the ions of scandium, titanium and vanadium. We have one more vanadium ion. Now I am writing the electronic configuration of atoms. What are the atoms? Chromium Cr, atomic number 24. Electronic configuration argon 18 3d5 and 4s1. Manganese Mn, atomic number 25. Electronic configuration argon 18 20 25. Manganese. And iron also we can write atomic number 26. The electronic configuration of iron atom argon 18 20 26 3d6. These are electronic configuration of atoms. Now we are going to write the electronic configuration of required ions. First one is electronic configuration of chromium 3 plus ion. Chromium 3 plus ion. Indicate loss of how many electron? 3 electron. 1 from s orbital, 2 from d orbital. So the electronic configuration of Cr3 plus argon 18 3d3 4s0. 3 electron we have to remove, 1 electron from s orbital, 2 electron from d orbital. Manganese Mn 4 plus ion electronic configuration. 4 plus indicate loss of how many electron? 4 electron. 2 from s, 2 from d. Argon 18 3d3 and 4s0. Manganese 4 plus ion. And iron we will write in the second step. So see the electronic structure. We can also write the electronic configuration of vanadium 2 plus. Vanadium we know it is 3d3 4s2. Vanadium 2 plus means it lost how many electron? 2 electron from 4s level. Therefore vanadium 2 plus also contain argon 18 3d3 and 4s0. 3d3 and 4s0. How many electrons in d orbital? Cr3 plus, Mn4 plus and vanadium 2 plus. D orbital containing how many electron? 3 electron. Fill the 3 electron in the d orbital 5 orientation xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill the electron. We have 3 electron in d orbital. 1, 2, 3. 3 electron in d orbital. Now calculate the spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton equal to root of, what is our n value? Number of unpaired electron 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 into 3 are root 15. Root 15. What is the value of root 15? 3.87 Bohr magneton. If your number of unpaired electron is equal to 1, the answer start with 1.73. 1. If the number of unpaired electron is 2, the answer start with 2. If the number of unpaired electron is 3, the answer start with 3. 3.787 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, the chromium 3 plus, Mn 4 plus, vanadium 2 plus are all paramagnetic in nature. Are all paramagnetic in nature. Come to other ions. Now we are going to write the electronic configuration of Cr2 plus, chromium 2 plus ion. 2 plus indicate chromium lost how many electron? 2 electron. So remove 1 electron from 4s and 1 electron from 3d. The electronic configuration is argon 18, 3d4 and 4s0, chromium 2 plus. Manganese 3 plus ion electronic configuration, Mn 3 plus. Loss of how many electron? 3 electron. 2 from s orbital, 1 from d orbital. So argon 18, 3d4 and 4s0 electronic configuration. In both the ion, 3d orbital contain 4 electron. Now fill the 4 electron in the 5 orientation of d orbital. They are 3d xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. How many electron we have? 4 electron. According to Hund's rule, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now calculate spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to, what is the formula? Root of n into n plus 2 equal to root of what is n? Number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electron equal to 4. So 4 into 4 plus 2 equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 into 4 are 24. Root 24 is equal to, if the number of unpaired electron 4, the answer start with the 4. 4.89 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic substances attracted by the magnetic field. Attracted by the magnetic field. Then other ions. Mn2 plus ion. Manganese 3d5 4s2. If it lost 2 electron, What is the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus ion? Argon 3d5 4s0. Come to one more ion, Fe3 plus ion, ferric ion, Fe3 plus ion. Ion electronic configuration 3d6 4s2. 3 plus means loss of 3 electron, 2 from s orbital, 1 from d orbital. 2 from s orbital, 1 from d orbital. So, argon 18 3d5 4s0. In both the ion, how many orbitals, electrons we have in 3d? 5 electron, 5 electron. D orbital has 5 orientation. What are they? 3d xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill the electron. 5 electron we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electron we have. Now calculate the spin only magnetic moment value. What is the formula? Mu s spin only magnetic moment equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. N equal to number of unpaired electron. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 7 into 5 are 35. Root 35. Number of unpaired electron 5. Therefore, this answer start with 5. Root 35 equal to 5.91 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, these two ions, Mn2 plus ion and Fe3 plus ions, are paramagnetic in nature. Are paramagnetic in nature. Correct? Ion Fe, atomic number 26. How to write the electronic configuration, you know? Argon, noble gas, argon, atomic number 18. Then the electron enter into the s orbital, 4s2, 3d6. This is electronic configuration of Fe. Now, cobalt, atomic number 27. What is the electronic configuration? Argon 18, then the electrons enter into the 4s level, 4s2, remaining electron, 7 electrons are in 3d level. Now we are going to calculate the magnetic moment of two ions. One is Fe2 plus ion. 2 plus indicate loss of how many electron? 2 electron. So these 2 electrons are removed from the 4s level. The electronic configuration is argon 18 3d6 4s0, 3d6 4s0, and also cobalt 3 plus ion. 3 plus indicate loss of how many electron? 3 electron. Now write the electronic configuration. Argon 18, argon atomic number 18. 3 electron, 2 from S, 1 from D. Therefore, 3d6 4s0. Now write the formula to calculate. D orbital containing how many electron? 6 electron. D orbital containing how many electron? 6 electron. Now fill the 6 electron according to Hund's rule in the 5 orientation of D orbital. D orbital has 5 orientation. Dxy dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. How many electron? 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron. Correct? Now number of unpaired electron equal to 4. Number of unpaired electron equal to 4. The spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to, what is the formula? Root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. That is equal to root of, what is the number of unpaired electron we have? 4. 4 into 4 plus 2 equal to, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 into 4 are 24. If number of unpaired electron 4, the magnetic moment answer also start with the 4. 4.89 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, Fe2 plus ion and CO3 plus ion are paramagnetic in nature. Come to CO2 plus ion. CO2 plus ion. Cobalt 2 plus. Cobalt electronic configuration 3d7 4s2. If it lost these 2 electron, the electronic configuration is argon 18 3d7 4s0. 3d7 4s0. Number of electron in 3d is 7. Number of electron in 3d is 7. Fill the 7 electron in the 5 orientations of d orbital. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. How to fill? 7 electron. So according to Hund's rule, we have to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electron. Now calculate magnetic moment. Mu s, magnetic moment equal to root of, what is the formula? N into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Number of unpaired electron in CO2 plus is 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3 plus 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 into 3 are 15. Number of unpaired electron 3 means answer start with 3. So 3.87 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, cobalt 2 plus is also paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic substances attracted by the magnetic field. Now we are going to write the electronic configuration of nickel, copper and zinc atom. Nickel, atomic number 28. What is the electronic configuration? Nickel, argon, Ar, 18, 20, 28. Nickel electronic configuration. 8 electron in the 3d orbital. Copper. The correct electronic configuration of copper, atomic number 29 is argon, atomic number 18. 3d10 and 4s1 is the correct electronic configuration of copper. Zinc, the last element in the first transition series, atomic number 30. Electronic configuration is argon 18 4s2, argon 18 4s2, 3d10 is the electronic configuration of zinc. Now we are going to calculate the magnetic moment of which ion? Nickel 2 plus ion. First nickel 2 plus ion. Nickel 2 plus ion indicate it lost how many electron? 2 electron. Therefore, argon 18, 3d8, loss of 2 electron from 4s orbital. 4s0. D orbital containing how many electron? In nickel 2 plus 8 electron. Now they fill the 8 electron in the 5 orientations of d orbital, 5 d orbital. D orbital has 5 orientation. What are they? You know, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. We have to fill 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many number of unpaired electron we have? 2 unpaired electron in nickel 2 plus. Formula used to calculate the spin only magnetic moment equal to, what is the formula? Root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Number of unpaired electron in nickel 2 plus is 2. Therefore, 2 into 2 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 into 2 are root 8. If the number of unpaired electron is 2, the answer start with 2. 2.83 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, nickel 2 plus is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature. Come to other ions. Very most important, copper 2 plus. Copper 2 plus. Copper electronic configuration 3d10 4s1. 2 plus mean it lost how many electron? 2 electron. 1 electron from s orbital, 1 electron from 3d orbital. Argon 18, 3d9 4s0. 3d9 4s0. How many electrons we have? 9 electron in d orbital. Now fill all the 9 electrons in the 5 orientations of d orbital. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. We have to fill how many electron? 9 electron. Fill according to Hund's rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So see how many number of unpaired electron in copper 2 plus? Only 1 unpaired electron. The spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to, what is the formula? Root of n into n plus 2 equal to root of n value, number of unpaired electron 1, 1 into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 into 1 equal to 3, root 3 value equal to number of unpaired electron equal to 1. Therefore, answer start with 1, 1.732 Bohr magneton. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, copper 2 plus is paramagnetic. Copper 1 plus is diamagnetic. Copper 2 plus is paramagnetic. Copper 1 plus is diamagnetic. Now, come to an important point. Now, we are going to write the electronic configuration of 2 important ions. One is copper plus 1 ion electronic configuration. Copper plus 1 indicate copper lost how many electron? 1 electron. So after loss of one electron, the electronic configuration of copper 1 plus is argon 18, 3d10, 4s0. 3d10, 4s0. Zinc 2 plus ion. Zinc 2 plus ion. Loss of 2 electrons. 2 electrons are removed from 4s level. The electronic configuration of zinc 2 plus also argon 18, 3d10, 4s0. 4s0. Completely filled electronic configuration, more stable. They exhibit extra stability. What is the number of electron in d orbital? Here you have 3d10, 3d10. Fill the 10 electron in d orbital, the 5 orientation of d orbital. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. According to Hund's rule, you know how to fill the electron. No pairing takes place until all the available orbital containing one electron in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 10 electrons. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the 10 electrons are filled. Now calculate the spin only magnetic moment of copper 2 plus and zinc 2 plus. Spin only magnetic moment, mu s equal to root of n end n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Number of unpaired electron equal to 0. Number of unpaired electron equal to 0. 0 and 0 plus 2 equal to 0 Bohr magneton. Because of all the electrons are paired, copper 1 plus and copper 2 plus are diamagnetic in nature. Question may be asked, why copper 1 plus is diamagnetic and copper 2 plus is paramagnetic? In copper 2 plus, we have one unpaired electron. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic. In copper 1 plus, all the electrons are paired, therefore it is diamagnetic. So, the same question may be also asked in the case of titanium complexes also. See here, already we have discussed this. Titanium 4 plus, where is titanium 4 plus? Titanium 4 plus is diamagnetic, whereas titanium 3 plus and titanium 2 plus, titanium 3 plus and titanium 2 plus are paramagnetic. Why? Why? What is the reason? Titanium 4 plus, there is no electron in d orbital, therefore diamagnetic. If all the electrons are paired, if the d orbital is empty filled, it is diamagnetic. But in titanium 3 plus and titanium 2 plus, both the ion contain unpaired electron, therefore it is paramagnetic in nature. So generally, unpaired electron paramagnetic, the paramagnetic substances attracted by the magnetic field, diamagnetic substances repelled by the magnetic field. So in general, most of the d block element metal ions are having unpaired electron, therefore most of the d block element metal ion are paramagnetic in nature. Now we are going to see the consolidate magnetic moment of d block element metal ion. So this tabular column explain the magnetic moment of all the d block element metal ion, and the last column is magnetic moment observed value. The observed value calculated from the experiment is more or less same from the calculated value, 1.73, 1.75. For 2 unpaired electron, 2.83, 2.76, 3.87, 3.86. More or less all the 5 values are same. So simply remember that if the ion containing 1 unpaired electron, answer start with 1. 2 unpaired electron, answer start with 2. 3 unpaired electron, answer start with 3. 4 answer start with 4. 5 unpaired electron, magnetic moment value start with 5. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.